Okay, example 5, factor out the greatest common factor of 10x cubed plus 6x. Greatest common factor is the first step of factoring. So anytime the job says to factor or factor completely, this should be the first thing you look for is greatest common factor. 10 and 6 are both even, so 2 goes into both numbers. X cubed and x to the first have x to the first in common. When you're looking for a common letter, you're looking for the lowest power. So if x is in every single term, the lowest power of x is what's common. And once you establish what the common factor is, we're factoring it out, so now we're going to have to write down the leftovers. Leftovers are made by division. 10 divided by 2 is 5. X cubed divided by x is x to the second. Remember, when you divide letters, we're going to be subtracting powers. This 3 minus that 1 makes that 2. Positive 6 divided by 2 is positive 3. X divided by x cancels. If everything canceled, we put plus 1. Okay, but since there's a 3 there, we don't have to worry about that. The x's just cancel. The last step of factoring is always to verify that everything's factored completely. Is there anything else I can do to anything? If I see x to the second power, there's a possibility that factoring is still there. But since it's x squared plus something, it doesn't factor anymore. If it's x squared, it has to be minus. If it's a trinomial, you might be able to factor with an x squared and a plus. But when it's just two terms, x squared plus automatically doesn't factor. So that's as much as we can do. This is the full answer.